Assalamu alaikum, dear audience, and welcome to another new episode. When, as a speaker, you speak in English or conversation to your nearest person, then you can use this type of ornamental words or sentences. Just follow this. When you will conversation to your nearest friends, then you can use perhaps, not use maybe. Don't say, I don't know. Just say, I have no idea. Don't say thank you. Just say, I really appreciate it. Don't say excuse me. And obviously say pardon me. Don't say hello. Just say what's up. Don't say please. Just say kindly. Don't say yes. And obviously say absolutely. I hope that this class will be fully benefited for you. Thank you so much and keep watching. Stay connected. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.